My name is Doa Vu. I'm from Brooklyn Park, Minnesota, 27 years old, and this is my 2018 Honda Civic Type R. We're at BIR for Proving Grounds right now, hosted by MA Performance. Everything you could find on the HKS catalog, from the intake, the HKS blow-off valve, downpipe, front pipe, Ligamax exhaust system on it right now too, as well as the HKS SP Hypermax coilovers. Currently on flex fuel right now, running around E30. That's good for around 380 to 400 wheel horsepower. It's on TEs right now, as you can see, they're the Saga Time Attacks. They're a limited edition. They're discontinued now, so they're 18 by 9.5. I'm running 265 Ventus RS4s all around. Hankook, and then she's also caged by EVS, the 4-point tuning cage. I have some Seeker bits from Japan as well, the steering wheel, the shifter bits, and I think that's really it. Yeah. I bought it back when I was still in the military, so it was my daily drive for a year and a half. But once I finished my contract as a Marine, finally got some time on her, so I figured I bought this car to race with it. So that's kind of where she came from. A lot of the exterior and aero bits, I got it as an inspiration from the center drive Civic, the Spoon Sports. But other than that, I knew she was going to be my track car. I actually have another one at home too, but this one's the track car for sure. My biggest hurdle with the car is just all the ins and outs. It's really easy installing bolt-ons on this car, but it's really hard making it work. I think my biggest hurdle so far right now is just feel issues. Still trying to figure out the ins and outs of the Flex and how that works with the Flash Pro system, so we're figuring that out little by little. My favorite moment with this car is every time I get to drive it on the track. It's a blast. It's a front-wheel drive car, but it turns and tucks just like a railroad drive. So Honda did a really good job with this car. I'm very proud of it. It's one of my best front-wheel drive cars I've ever owned. Everyone wishes it was all-wheel drive. However, if you look at the badge, it's still a Civic. So for me, it's perfectly the way it is. Civics are front-wheel drive, so yeah. It's funny, it's not anything related with the track, but it's all the relationships and all the people I've known from this car. This car has opened a lot of new doors for me, and it helped me meet a lot of new people and a lot of new performance shops, and as well as MA, right? So yeah, this car has opened up a lot of new doors for me, and I think that's the biggest spark factor for it. What sets me apart from everybody else? I think the styling notes. I always like doing the mods that everyone always questions about, such as the rear canards you can see here. A lot of people even ask me, do it even work? For me, I think building the car the way you want it to be. Confidence has a huge role in how the car performs. If you're confident as a driver, you're gonna be confident with the car and you're gonna perform a lot better.